Live music, stalls put up by young people, young minds. What a vibe to be surrounded by.
So if you also want the feel of a flea, then definitely come down to the Sunflower Gallery. This is the evening drop that is happening for 2 days, today and tomorrow. Swipe left to see the collection.
Hello. Hi, my brand name is Not Together.
Okay, and they have some very pretty collection of everything crochet. So from earrings to lip balm holders to these phone lanyards, keychains. Look at that, the long lanyards as well. Hair accessories. Then they have these beautiful posters, some covers for your spectacles. Then these cute sunflower badges, airpod holders. Everything crochet is available here.
So my name is Radhika and I'm working as a spiritual and wellness coach for the many years now, 15 years now. This is the brand called Radha Studio. We have beautiful crystals that are energetically charged and they help you in all areas of your life to strengthen your bond with yourself and the world around you.
Lovely. Thank you, ma'am.
My brand name is Nitara. You can have a look for this funky shirts like this. This is a coffee print, vintage print. We have Gaji silk bandhani shirts. For Valentine's special, we have this rose striped tops. We also have a unique collection like this. Then we have all heart shirts in 3 colors. Crop shirts like this in gingham print. And we have like bandhani cotton collection. And we have all colors like this in that. And so these are also manual bandhani. Yes.
Hello, my name is Shraddha. I am a founder of Cure Handmade Candles.
So as you can see, they have lovely options in candles. These are perfect for gifting. सारी की सारी handmade options में है. Very pretty shapes and sizes में आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगी. These are all handmade. If you want messages, something like this, secret message style में, gifting के लिए boxes style में, bouquet style में, सारे options available हैं. And moving on to the next brand here.
Hello everyone, I am Nidhi, the founder of Mivra Beauty Collection. Here we have handmade soap and handmade shampoos. The shampoo is made up of herbal products like methi, kalonji, and the soap is made up of neem, aloe vera, and vitamin E that will cure your pimples and acne.
Hi friends, this is Purvi from Studio Tula. તમે મારી બ્રાન્ડને ઓળખો છો. હું દર વખતે તમારા માટે રોજના કપડા લઈને આવું છું. આ વખતે કોટન અને કંઈક સ્ટાઇલિશ લઈને આવી છું તમારા વેલેન્ટાઇન ડે ને સેલિબ્રેટ કરવા માટે. સો આઈ હેવ crop shirts, I have loose fit shirts, I have kala cotton shirt, I have some loose fit with some applique work, something in checks. This is skirt coat. I have 3 colors in this and I can make all sizes also and in any other colors also. This is shibori kaftan. So you can wear in this summer as a lounge wear also. It's a set. If you want only kaftan, you can take it only kaftan also.
Hello there. Hi, we are from this organization named You and I, and we teach underprivileged students on weekends. We all are college students who are volunteers of this organization. Today we are here to raise funds for the education of the child so that we can fund the education of the kids for the upcoming academic year. And these are the goodies that we are selling. We have some badges, bookmarks, then we have stickers, and then some Valentine's goods that we have so that we can cater to people who are coming for the Valentine's Day here.
Hi Ahmedabad, so I am Kashvi from Kia by K. I deal in imitation jewelry and the stainless steel jewelry. Most of the designs are designed by me Yes, so we have something unique which no one has. That is the iWatch straps. This is the piercings. We have premium collection, the tennis bracelets too.
Hi, I'm the back. So Valentine's approaching. Valentine week is approaching actually. So we've got these nice, beautiful spaghetti dresses, lovely flary dresses like this, and we've got these kind of dresses for you. These are all very quickly everywhere, everyday wear, and a nice elasticated dress like that. Apart from that, we've got smart quad sets, very dressy and nice. So these are those high-low quad sets. We've got only kurtas to for giftings also. This is the halter. We've got spaghetti kurtas. We've got nice linen shirts. They are also workwear. These are lovely. Thank you. And we've got nice mull shirts and some of the ombre shirts also in silk.
Hello everyone, I'm Aditi Kothari, the founder of the Baking Boutique. Here we are at the Sunflower, the place to exhibit with providing you with the brownie bites, which is made from oats, the choco truffle balls, the cheesecake, and I want to tell one thing that the cheese cream used in this cheesecake is purely homemade. We have made the cheese cream at our home. Then coming to make your own cake tubs, you have to select one flavor of your choice and select your frosting, select your toppings, and then go with the sauce or not. It's up to you. We also have some amazing discounts for you all.
This is brand My Way and they are into sustainable jewelry. So they have lots and lots of options in beautiful everyday routine jewelry. They also have a lot of visitors, as you can see they're already very busy. They have beautiful options in these sets, something like this, something like this as well, some more options like these too. So definitely come down and check them out.
Hi, we are the founders of Tall Science. Our all products are bath ritual which are based on sunshine. These enhance our energy, like we have perfume, bath lotion, bath gel, essential oil and soaps. Yeah, they also have gift hampers for special ones. It's a perfect gift for a Valentine's Day.
Hi, I'm Manshika. So we're here at the Sunflower Gallery and we're exhibiting here today and tomorrow. And we have some gourmet desserts here. Like you can see, we have our specialty tea cakes, some Belgian chocolate dipped strawberries. We also have Valentine's specials like our Nutella cakes and tiramisus. We're also doing a live cake decorating activity. You can come in with your besties or your partners and come and have fun. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Khushi and I'm from Ekuro. We do our own custom prints. That is what we specialize in. These are two of our signature prints. Our best sellers. You can wear these on vacations. Tube tops, cotton jacquard fabric. This is also our signature print. This is in cotton viscose. It's a three-piece set. Few midi skirts, very trendy, pleated, color blocking. Currently wearing. This comes with pants or shorts, whatever you like.
Hello, my name is Isha and I'm the founder and the creative director of the brand Whimsy Works. We have stuff for everyone. Okay. These are stickers. These are customized bookmarks. This is something for girls. Right. Obviously, we have something special today. These are live fridge magnets. Okay. It can be used as a stand also. Okay. Specially curated for the new moms. Lockets. We have two options.